Hi there, my name is Lucy Gibson. I'm one of the medical students who went to schools to talk to the children about asthma. And we wanted to give you a brief example of what the presentation we gave them was like. So we started off talking to the children, explaining exactly who we were and what we were there to talk about. And then to give them a brief introduction, we showed them some pictures of celebrities and asked them to guess which ones we thought they had asthma. The point we were trying to drive home was that asthma shouldn't be a barrier for doing sport, and to make them understand a bit more about what it was like to live with asthma. We then moved on briefly to explaining what exactly asthma was, and just talking about how it was a condition that affected the airways. We then asked them to give examples of what it was like if someone was having an asthma attack, and this is where we rewarded them with sweets for any suggestions, and we also had someone simulating with a straw. We then quickly went through the triggers, and we were provided with some posters by Asthma UK. And then we also talked a bit about what exactly happened to the lungs during an asthma attack. So we were given these two airways to demonstrate this, and as you can see, the very inflamed one relative to and the children really enjoyed this. I think this was quite a helpful thing for them. We then talked about how people end up getting the condition, and the fact that it's not contagious. We briefly went through some facts to try and let them know the scale of the problem. And then we focused on how exactly to treat. So we talked about the blue and the brown inhalers, and tried to explain exactly when each was appropriate to use. We also went through emergency procedures, so what they should do if someone around them was having an asthma attack. And then lastly, we just went through some of the work that Asthma UK does, and we asked them if they had any questions. Thank you very much.